Eaton, also known as Cutler hammer, circuit breakers can be used to replace square D Homeline, Krauss Heinz MP, Siemens Q, GTHQ, Murray MP, and Thomas and Betts TB circuit breakers. Thomas and Betts circuit breakers can be used to replace Westinghouse BR, Challenger C, GTHQL, specifically the ground fault circuit interrupter only, Murray MP, and Siemens Q circuit breakers. Siemens circuit breakers can replace square DQO circuit breakers. Miami breaker circuit breakers can replace ITE molded case versions. Connecticut electric and switch circuit breakers can be used as replacements for Zinsco, Prismatic, FPE Stablock, and Wadsworth circuit breakers. It's crucial to understand circuit breaker compatibility to ensure safety and proper function within an electrical system. When replacing a circuit breaker, several factors must be considered to ensure the new breaker is a suitable and safe replacement for the original. Firstly, the amperage rating of the replacement breaker must match the amperage rating of the original breaker. Using a breaker with a higher amperage rating than the circuit is designed for can lead to overheating and potentially a fire hazard. Secondly, the voltage rating of the replacement breaker must be equal to or greater than the voltage of the circuit it is protecting. Circuit breakers are designed to interrupt the flow of electrical current in the event of an overload or short circuit. The amperage rating indicates the amount of current the breaker can safely handle before tripping. Overloads occur when a circuit draws more current than it is designed to handle, often due to too many devices plugged into the same circuit. Short circuits occur when there is an unintended low resistance path for current to flow, which can cause a rapid and dangerous increase in current. The interrupting capacity of a circuit breaker is the maximum amount of fault current the breaker can safely interrupt. It is essential to select a replacement breaker with an interrupting capacity that is equal to or greater than the available fault current at the breaker's location in the electrical system. If the interrupting capacity is too low, the breaker may fail to interrupt the fault current, potentially leading to equipment damage or personal injury. Circuit breakers are designed to protect electrical circuits from overcurrents and short circuits. Different types of circuit breakers are available for various applications, including residential, commercial, and industrial settings. The most common type of circuit breaker is the thermal magnetic breaker, which uses a bimetallic strip and an electromagnet to trip the breaker. Thermal magnetic breakers provide protection against both overloads and short circuits. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are designed to protect against ground faults, which occur when current leaks to ground. GFCIs are commonly used in bathrooms, kitchens, and other areas where water is present. Arc fault circuit interrupters, or RFCIs, are designed to protect against arc faults, which are dangerous electrical arcs that can cause fires. RFCIs are commonly used in bedrooms and other areas where there is a high risk of fire. When selecting a replacement circuit breaker, it is important to consider the specific requirements of the electrical system. Factors such as the voltage, amperage, interrupting capacity, and type of protection needed should be taken into account. Consulting with a qualified electrician is recommended to ensure that the correct replacement breaker is selected and installed safely. Proper installation of circuit breakers is crucial for ensuring the safety and reliability of the electrical system. Circuit breakers should be installed in accordance with the National Electrical Code or NEC and local electrical codes. The NEC provides detailed requirements for the installation of circuit breakers, including proper wiring methods, grounding, and overcurrent protection. Only qualified electricians should install or replace circuit breakers. Working with electricity can be dangerous, and improper installation can lead to electrical shock, fire, or other hazards. It is important to turn off the power to the circuit before working on any electrical components. Using appropriate safety equipment, such as insulated gloves and safety glasses, is also recommended. Regular inspection and maintenance of circuit breakers are essential for ensuring their continued proper operation. Circuit breakers should be inspected periodically for signs of damage, such as cracks, discoloration, or loose connections. The breakers should also be tested to ensure that they trip properly when subjected to an overcurrent or short circuit. If a circuit breaker fails to trip when tested, it should be replaced immediately. Proper labeling of circuit breakers is important for identifying the circuits they protect. Each circuit breaker should be labeled with a description of the loads it serves, such as lights, outlets, or appliances. Clear and accurate labeling can help prevent confusion and ensure that the correct breaker is turned off when working on a circuit. In addition to replacing faulty breakers, upgrading existing circuit breakers may be necessary to accommodate increased electrical loads. For example, if a homeowner adds new appliances or equipment that draw a significant amount of power, the existing circuit breakers may not be adequate to handle the increased load. In such cases, it may be necessary to upgrade the circuit breakers to a higher amperage rating or to add additional circuits to distribute the load. When upgrading circuit breakers, it is important to consider the capacity of the electrical panel and the service entrance. The electrical panel must be able to handle the increased load, and the service entrance must be sized appropriately to provide sufficient power to the panel. Consulting with a qualified electrician is recommended to determine the appropriate size and type of circuit breakers needed for the electrical system. Several manufacturers offer circuit breakers with different features and capabilities. Eaton, Square D, Siemens, and GE are some of the leading manufacturers of circuit breakers. Each manufacturer offers a wide range of circuit breakers to meet the needs of various applications. When selecting a circuit breaker, it is important to consider the manufacturer's reputation for quality and reliability. Choosing a reputable manufacturer can help ensure that the breaker will provide reliable protection for the electrical system. In summary, replacing circuit breakers requires careful consideration of several factors, including amperage rating, voltage rating, interrupting capacity, and type of protection needed. Proper installation and maintenance are essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of the electrical system. Consulting with a qualified electrician is recommended to ensure that the correct replacement breakers are selected and installed safely. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous and should only be performed by qualified individuals. Always follow the NEC and local electrical codes when working on electrical systems. The information provided here is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician before making any changes to your electrical system. A qualified electrician can assess your specific needs and recommend the appropriate circuit breakers for your application. They can also ensure that the breakers are installed safely and in accordance with all applicable codes and regulations. Electrical safety is paramount, and it is always best to err on the side of caution when working with electricity. By following these guidelines and consulting with a qualified electrician, you can help ensure that your electrical system is safe, reliable, and properly protected. Furthermore, understanding the nuances between different breaker types is crucial. For example, a standard thermomagnetic breaker reacts differently to overloads compared to a GFCI or FSI breaker. Thermomagnetic breakers respond to sustained overcurrents, whereas GFCIs detect ground faults and FSIs detect arc faults. Mixing up these breaker types can lead to inadequate protection. For instance, using a standard breaker where GFCI is required, such as near water sources, eliminates the ground fault protection, posing a serious risk of electrical shock. Similarly, using a standard breaker in a location requiring FSI protection, such as bedrooms, removes the arc fault detection, increasing the risk of electrical fires. Therefore, it's essential to understand the specific requirements for each circuit and choose the appropriate breaker type accordingly. Moreover, consider the physical size and configuration of the replacement breaker. Some older panels may have limited space, requiring a specific type of breaker that fits within the available area. Using the wrong size breaker can lead to installation difficulties or even damage to the panel. It's also important to ensure that the replacement breaker is compatible with the busbar system of the electrical panel. The busbar is the conductive strip inside the panel that distributes electricity to the breakers. Incompatible breakers may not make proper contact with the busbar, leading to loose connections and potential overheating. Therefore, always verify that the replacement breaker is specifically designed for use with the electrical panel in question. When dealing with older or obsolete circuit breakers, finding direct replacements can be challenging. In such cases, consulting with an experienced electrician or electrical supply house can be invaluable. They may be able to identify suitable alternatives or provide information on where to source the correct breakers. However, it's important to exercise caution when using refurbished or used circuit breakers. These breakers may have internal damage or wear that is not readily apparent, potentially compromising their ability to function properly. It's generally recommended to use new certified circuit breakers whenever possible to ensure reliable protection. Another important consideration is the environmental conditions in which the circuit breakers will be used. In damp or corrosive environments, it's essential to use circuit breakers that are specifically designed for such conditions. These breakers typically have sealed enclosures and corrosion-resistant materials to protect against moisture and other contaminants. Using standard circuit breakers in harsh environments can lead to premature failure and potential safety hazards. In addition to the technical aspects of circuit breaker replacement, it's also important to be aware of any applicable regulations or codes. Local built-in codes may have specific requirements for circuit breaker types, ratings, and installation methods. Failing to comply with these codes can result in fines or other penalties. Therefore, it's essential to consult with local authorities or a qualified electrician to ensure that all work is performed in accordance with the applicable regulations. Finally, remember that circuit breaker replacement is not a task to be taken lightly. Working with electricity can be dangerous, and improper installation can have serious consequences. If you are not comfortable working with electrical systems, it's always best to hire a qualified electrician to perform the work. They have the knowledge, skills, and experience to ensure that the job is done safely and correctly. They can also identify any potential problems with your electrical system and recommend appropriate solutions. In conclusion, circuit breaker replacement is a critical aspect of electrical safety and requires careful consideration of numerous factors. By understanding the different types of breakers, their ratings, and their compatibility with electrical panels, you can help ensure that your electrical system is properly protected. Always consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about circuit breaker replacement.